front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing right away. Now scroll again to hit Print. Tap on the footprint service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all activate the same way. And hit gray switcher at the top right corner to activate yours. Now wait, your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip, if you still can't connect, you need to enable print service anyway, and use this plus at the top right corner even if you're not connecting. Now you can click on Search for Wi-Fi direct printers if your printer supports this option. Hit Allow to make it work, and wait for your OnePlus to find your printer. You can also hit Search by IP address, input it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!